Coming down and just getting the water away. We tried to get as many policies issued last week as we could.
Insurance agent Joe Carlucci says he's already received dozens of new insurance applications ahead of Hurricane Ian. Having been through several hurricanes and helped his clients along the way, he's seen some pretty big mistakes when it comes to insurance claims.
The biggest mistake for filing claims would be calling the insurance company to just ask if something is covered, because that opens a claim and then you have a claim on your record.
Carlucci says if you do have a coverage question or are just looking for advice about a small, not pressing issue, it's best to call your agent first. That way you can avoid a claim being filed. Some of the most popular questions are always about falling trees.
What if my neighbor's tree falls in my yard? Or what if my neighbor's tree falls on my house? So if the damage is done to your house, it's your policy.
Now, he says one important thing to note here is that if a tree falls in your yard as opposed to on your home, it is not covered by insurance. That means getting all that cut up and taken away, that's on you. Carlucci says a hurricane deductible is typically about 2% of what the home is insured for. So a home insured for $500,000 will likely need to see at least $10,000 worth of damage for a payout.
Keep that in mind when you're assessing your damage at your house. If you can kind of guesstimate that it's less than your hurricane deductible, then you don't want to call the company, file a claim.
All right, one last tip from Carlucci. If you are going to file a claim, take lots of pictures and video. You really can't have too many because they're all going to help the adjuster. And if you are going to file, he says to file online rather than calling in and waiting on the phone lines. It's going to be way faster to do it online. In Jacksonville, Zach Wilcox, First Coast News, on your side.